Hey everyone, good morning. I just want to share with you guys. So I'm doing this project this week. I need to finish up a training, putting together a training, and I had some stuff um, delivered today, which I'm so excited. This comes from the United Kingdom. I love this brand, by the way. If you're into the training business, coaching business, Newland is the place to go get like really cool materials, stuff to like play with. Um, so you can be like, you can put together the best presentations ever. So I'm just gonna unbox this thing with you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's see. Like nicely. Okay, let me get my other scissors. This is like so exciting. Honestly, I woke up and I was like, maybe I'll get it today. Because I really, really want to do this today. I mean, I have to. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is harder than I thought. By the way, I already went for a walk this morning. So you're looking at me going, oh my gosh, it looks crazy. That's because I do. I went out for a walk. Okay, here we go. Oof, managed to get it off. So, okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. And later, as I start working, you can see it comes nicely wrapped. I love the way things are delivered. See, I mean, they take some, extra care. So, okay, so this is the first thing I bought. This is, I know you guys have seen my pictures and stuff, and this is, so they have different books. And this is what I've been doing for years now. This is a new one. I looked it up and it was like so cool. I was like, I need to have that. And then this is to create posters, again, for presentations and stuff. Really cool content. This, my friends, now this is actually something I put over my whiteboard, and it has a clear sheet. So I can do my drawings on the back and then paint over this while I'm doing presentations, and I can just erase without damaging what's at the back of my wall. For example, if I'm doing graphics, I can color the graphics in different colors. I can write over pointers, whatever, without having to do the board over and over and over again. Now, this. This is it. Actually, I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's small. But it doesn't matter. It's about the content. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me put this in here because I hate having messes. Okay. This. Oh my god, they brought 3 markers. So let me tell you about these markers. These are like the best markers in the world for presentations. You do need to learn how to use them. So they have like books and so that you can practice. It might sound crazy to you, but once you start doing it, you understand why. And I actually got 3 of them. Oh my God, this is like a bonus. Like, these are really expensive. They're like, I think they're like $5 for a marker or something like that. But then having 3, these are like my babies. I love markers, but this is like the thing. Now, as you can see here, there's a bunch of little cards, and let me just show you. So check it out. So now I can put a presentation together really quick with these cards without me having to draw too much. I like to draw, but okay. And then on the side here, oh my God, this is like really cool. It's just gonna help me so much today. You have the different images. I know how to draw all this, but it's just cool to have them handy without me having to draw them all the time. So I love it. I'll show you guys later. Hopefully today, or if not today, tomorrow, I'll have something to show for the training that I'm going to put together. And this is like Christmas to me. So if you're into the coaching business, if you're into like just putting together like trainings, keeping people engaged, these are some of the materials that you could be buying and just like training yourself on how to use them. I was fortunate enough to see firsthand what people can do with these materials and with the knowledge and how to paint a picture for the audience, which I just love. And I know it's challenging nowadays because we're doing everything virtually, but still pictures are something that most of the people in the audience really enjoy. So why not do it? Okay? So bye. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you. Bye.